back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make Medical Medium's liver juice. In his recipe it calls for 2 apples, 2 cups of pineapple, 1 inch of ginger, 1 bunch of celery, 1 cup of parsley, which I don't have, so I'm going to be using dandelion greens, and a couple sprigs of kale. There are other options you can add, such as a cup of sprouts, radishes, beets, dandelion greens, purslane, chickweed. And if you are looking for this recipe, it is in the Liver Rescue book by Medical Medium on page 358. So I'm going to be using my juicer, and we are going to be juicing all of these ingredients. I am going to be sharing this with my husband, but this is supposed to be 1 serving. So let's turn this on. Got some bully going on the side there. So this is the final juice here. Wash my hands really quick. There is your liver juice. Just drink this up and it will help clean out your liver. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I do giveaways. I will be doing one soon on another book that I had purchased. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys.